Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your phone model and OS version so you pick the right DNS method. Once done, choose between public DNS, a private provider, or encrypted options like do T or do H. This affects privacy and speed. Make sure to back up current network settings and note the existing DNS addresses so you can revert. Now open Wi-Fi settings and tap the network's info sheet. You will change DNS there, or install a DNS app when required. You now perform the core configuration. On Wi-Fi, edit the network, switch to static IP or custom DNS fields, and enter the provider IPs. This changes DNS for that network immediately. If you want system-wide protection, install a reputable DNS app or a configuration profile that enforces do H or do T. Follow prompts to grant VPN-like permissions. Once applied, flush the DNS cache by toggling airplane mode or restart. You finish by verifying behavior. Open a browser, visit a known site, and optionally use a DNS leak test page or ping a domain from a network tool app. Successful resolution means DNS is working. If pages fail to load, revert to your saved settings, try alternate provider IPs, or remove the profile and reapply. Make sure to check for VPN or private DNS conflicts. Disable any third-party VPN briefly to isolate the problem, since VPNs can override DNS and cause failure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.